but still different. What it is, a car starts from rest. Car starts from rest and travels with acceleration, with constant acceleration alpha for time t1. Okay, then retards, that's also constant, then decelerates at constant rate, not with, at constant rate of beta and comes to rest. Find maximum speed attained by car and its total displacement. 1 minute, I think one information I forgot. The car starts from rest and travels with constant acceleration alpha for time t1, then decelerates at constant rate of beta and comes to rest in time t2. Okay, in time t2. Find maximum speed attained by the car and its total. Very common question, very common, but very good question to understand the concept. Okay, note it. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's start solving this one. Again, as we know that our favorite graph is VT graph, so we will make VT graph only. So here is VT graph. Okay. Question says that it starts from rest. So t equal to 0, speed is 0. So it will start from here. Okay. Then what he says that it's a constant acceleration. Now, constant acceleration means what? Again, a straight line. Slope is constant. Fine. Start like this. He says it moves for time t1. Okay, fine. Moved it for time t. Then what? He says after that there is a retardation. And then it comes to rest. In how much time? t2 time. Comes to rest. In t2 time. So I will not do this t1. I will write it in a different way. Okay. I'll say that this is t1 and this is t2. This is better, no? Because if I would have written t2 over here and t1 over here, you would have said that this is t2 minus t1. That would have been wrong. So I have written that, okay, this time is total t1 and this time total is t2. So in this time acceleration, in this time retardation. This is the graph. Tell me, is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is happening in this one? Acceleration. Acceleration means speed is increasing. Retardation means speed is decreasing. Here it starts from rest, so speed 0, reach to maximum, and then deceleration from maximum to 0. So this is only the maximum speed that we have to find. We'll find it, okay? There's no problem. But let's start then. How to start it? Suppose this angle here is theta. This time I'm not taking alpha. Why? Because acceleration itself is alpha given. So I want to be taking angle as alpha. Okay. This is theta, and this is, let's say, phi. Okay. Theta and phi. But I know tan theta's value only is alpha. I know that. Okay. So let's start the tan theta value is alpha. Okay. Acceleration. If this is tan theta means what? Height by base. What is height? V maximum by T1. What is it? V maximum by T1. Perfect. Right there. V max by T1. So what is V max? Alpha T1. V max is alpha T1. Okay. V max is alpha T1. Is this the answer? No. Not the answer. This is not. We are not going to do this as answer because this is only in terms of alpha. we will find some answer which is in terms of alpha as well as beta. Okay, fine, no issues. So this is question number 1. Same way, tan phi value is also given to me. What is tan phi? Beta, that is also given. Tan phi equal to beta, but beta is negative now. Yeah, it's negative. So what? You want to put it negative? Put negative, no issues. If you want to put negative, put it. Tan phi is negative beta. Negative beta means what then? Negative beta means V final minus V initial by time. If you are writing negative, then you should be writing V final minus V initial by time. V final is what? 0. V initial is what? V max. And time is what? T. So 0 minus V max by T. Okay. So then what? Minus minus get cancelled. So beta equal to V max by T. So V max is actually beta T2 also. That's why we didn't write alpha T1 as the answer. Okay, in options, neither alpha T1 will be there nor beta T2 is there. But are they wrong? No, they are correct. But answer will not be in those terms. Okay, fine. Now what shall we do? Anything else is given? Yeah. What else is given? I think one information I have not written. If I want the answer, which is actually of that question, which is standard question. What that? One more information is there in the question. Total time. Total time in the journey is T. Okay. Speed attained by the car and its total displacement. Okay, what shall I write? Comes to rest in time T2 and maximum speed attained by the car and its total displacement in. Or shall I add one more statement directly? Okay. One more statement is what? The total time for the journey is T. Okay. Total time of this journey is T. Right? Note that. So I will be adding this T into that. So answer we want in terms of T, not in terms of T1 and T. Okay. All right. Done, students? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Total time for the journey is T. Okay. Now we'll be use it. What this T is? We will say that this T basically is T1 plus T2. Okay. T is T1 plus T2. Now from where we should get T1? Should get T1 we'll get from here. T1 is actually V maximum by alpha. T1 is V maximum by alpha. We'll write it. V maximum by alpha. T2 is what? So T2 is here. T2 is V maximum by beta. That's okay. So V maximum by beta. Now what we can do? V maximum we can take common. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to erase this question. Okay, this question is not required now. This is gone. Okay, right. So let's solve then. So we are getting T equal to V max. I have taken V max common. That is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Let's solve this. V max here. Its LCM is what? Alpha beta. So this will be beta. Here will be alpha. I got V maximum value. Check. V maximum value is alpha beta T by alpha plus beta. This you will find in the options. Okay, alpha beta T by alpha plus beta. See, in this one, alpha is also there, beta is also there. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is V. Now, next question was displacement for us, and displacement how to find? We know area. This is also triangle. This is also triangle. Or in fact, take this as a big triangle. One triangle on half base into height. So base is T1 plus T2. That means T, and height is V max. Okay, so displacement is area of that. That is half V max into total time. That is T. Like this. Half alpha beta T by alpha plus beta into T. So answer is half alpha beta T square by alpha plus beta. That's displacement. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Note it. Note it. It's a standard question. Good question. Okay. Note this.